What is C++? Answer: C++ is a general-purpose, case-sensitive, free-form programming language that supports the Objects-Oriented Programming Language, OOP, and Procedural Programming Language. C++ is a middle-level programming language.
C++ is an enhanced version of the C. Important topics of C++ language are control statements, objects and classes, inheritance, constructor, destructor, this, static, namespace, encapsulation, arrays, strings, exception handling, file I/O, etc.
History of C++ language. Developer name Bjarne Stroustrup. Original name of C++ C with classes. Launching date of C with classes 1979. Release date of C++ 1983. Where developed C++ at NT Bell Labs USA. Full name of at NT American Telephone and Telegraph.
अगर इंफॉर्मेशन अच्छा लगा है तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड फ्रेंड के पास शेयर करें और कमेंट में जरूर देगा कि ये जानकारी कैसी लगी है।